Hi all, Jiten this side. So welcome in the practical series for Solr. So this is installation part 2 where we will install Solr on the Linux machines. I have divided this part in this section in two parts basically. In first part we will do a fresh Azure Linux machines, and the second part we will install Java, all the uh, variables, and then we'll install Solr as a service. So that's the scope for this session, and going forward, like, we will create some scripts and then we will install the same things through the script, and then later on we'll go to the cloud and then Zookeeper, and then we'll move on the advanced topics. So this is topics for beginners. So okay, so let's move. Okay, so if you see here, so this is the scope. We will do a new machines, all prerequisites and setup for Solr. Okay, so let's start the session now. Okay, so here we will set up a new Linux machine. So this is so I will create a new VM. This is a free trial. I will create a new resource group, Solr Solr resource group. VM name I will give Solr1. I will keep a region in Australia. Availability options, I will keep it default. This is Ubuntu, that's fine. I can set up with SSH public key, but here I will just provide password. It would need a strong password. Okay. Okay, then public inbound port. I don't want any port, so let's not allow this for now. Next is the disk, so no thanks. So I can define a disk here, and there are few options. There is manage disk and FE mirror OS disk. I just want to go with the default one. Okay, let's create a new. This is a premium. I just need simple thing. So, and there must be cost. Okay, I will just go with this one, 16 GB, and that's it. And I don't need premium, I just need, okay, let's keep this 16 GB. Okay, next, networking. So now we need to define the VM. So this is my virtual network, so it's already the default is created. This is a subnet, and this is would be the public IP, so I don't need any public IP. I don't need, fine. NIC network security group, that's basic. Public inbound port, not. So next, management. This is a basic plan. I don't need any monitoring. Boot diagnostic, okay, and storage account, Solr. Okay, next, advanced. Select extension to install. I don't need an extension. There are few default extensions available. I'm sure there must be for Solr also. Okay. I will close this one and I will put a tag for put tag for Solr values 1, resource group is okay, and then I go create. This is my free trial and this would be the charge per hour. I will create this machine now. So it will take some time to create the machine. For now, you need this tool, the Linux client tool, to connect to that machine. So I have this tool on my machine, and you can also use the putty. So let's download the putty. Okay. So I need to get this putty. Download putty for window. Yep. So we need this for 30 to 64 bit. Let me see. Okay, so now you can see putty here, and we need to put this we need to add those host detail here. Okay, so this is our VM Solr. You need public IP. I think we didn't provide any public IP for that. Should have the public IP, so let me change the configuration. This is configuration. It must be these are the application settings. It's no public IP. Okay. Let me see if I can connect through here. Then save this on Solr 1. And this is if I connect this one, okay, I will just quickly go and delete this machine and we'll create a new machine. So go there, just delete this machine, and I will set up a new machine. This is a free trial. I will select existing resource group. Again, I will give a name to Solr 1, Solr_1. Okay, Solr 01, and this is for Australian Pacific. It's all good. This is its public key. I will just give the password and confirm the password. Okay, let me try this again. None. Let's allow this whole port. And disk. Let's update this password. If there is any existing, okay, I will use this existing disk. Okay, and what is this host casing? Read only, redirect none. Okay, and networking, same public IP. I will this time I will keep this IP, and okay, that's fine. Just go ahead and I will just set up this machine. I will just create this machine. Okay, now okay, let's wait for the new machine, then we'll try to set up the Solr here. Okay, now you can see this is a new machine. It has this public IP. If I go from the putty, if I try this password, I will save as Solr 01. We'll try from FinSSP again, this portal. Save Solr 1. No folder. That's fine. Connect. Don't ask me. Okay, so now I'm able to connect through this WinSAP, and here still put is giving some exception. Okay, so let me try this again. So one show not SSH Solr 1 okay, same IP 91 are login. Let's open it. Okay, so username, seems like it's not allowed. So this is port, connection type, serial, com1 SSH. Let me try this one. Login. Okay, so I can now connect to the root. Now the next step is to install the required software like Java and the few variables. So let's do that. Okay, so far we have set up a new Linux machines. Now we will install Java, and we'll start the Solr there. So I have written a few steps here. Okay, so these are the steps we need to follow. So first we need to check the Java version. So if I go there, here on my machine, I'll just write Java version. So you can see there is no any version. Now we can install the Java. So you can see it's suggesting default GRE, or maybe we can define the specific version for 11. For Solr latest version, it's recommended to install Java 8 or later version, I believe. So here are the command which this is for the Solr one. Okay, so this is Java GRE and JDK. So this is runtime, which is we need only to support the Java environment, and JDK is something you need when you want to develop something within the Java. So in future we will do some changes for analyzer and few customizations, I will install JDK. So so you need to run this command. Go here, install this one, unable to acquire this one, front-end log. So saying are you at root, so need to go at root. Sudo. So now I'm at root. Update, not open, log file, permission denied. So I will go here. Okay, I will write still. And go sudo apt update. So it will update the packages for Ubuntu. Then I will say update install open JDK 8 dot JDK open JDK 8 dot JRE. Okay, it's unable to acquire. Let me try this. Let me copy this one. Be install. Okay, so yes. It's progressing. Okay, so it's done. Let's check Java version. Okay, so now you can see runtime version is 18 or something, and the JDK version is 25 something in the mix mode. So now we need to set up Java home. ngre home variable, and that's required basically for the runtime references for the applications, right? So same thing which we did for the window machines. So basically you need to go to etc underscore environment variable. I will show you something here in the physical location, like if I refresh this here, the root, now you can see change modify date segment. Just want to show you the, so you can see which we have modified here. Home, this one jk root should be there. Okay. Okay, let's go to etc, and this is, you can see, Java 8 OpenJDK, and we'll go to etc and put this in environment location. So let's go there. Git etc etc git no cd etc. Okay, let's write this command here, and then put libraries, and this would be here. Okay, so now I want to download the Solr, so I'll go to cd pt and I'll run this command. Now it's downloading. Okay, so 8.3 is downloaded. Just need to reconfirm this one. This home variable and this variable. Go again. Permission denied. Sudo. Permission denied. etc etc Okay, so this is fine, gr is fine. Okay, now we will extract this file. So this is command for extracting the star file to this location, bin install Solr, and then it will install the Solr as a service. And so we'll just run this command. Okay, and okay, this is extracting now. So the Solr setup is going on, now you can see. There are a few warnings for Solr. Okay, so this is a process ID, and now you can see it's started. And okay, so this is port number. Now if I want to see this here on my this one, port number 8983. So these are the command if you want to start and stop the Solr, but default now it's start. I should be able to browse it from here. Can't access this one, so let me see if I need to networking allow on. Port range 80. So basically I need to allow this port from here, and to do that I need this to be on HTTP. Go here, let's provide a single port such as 80, or insert this or comma separated list. Okay, so I'll just say 8983 now and save it. If I now try to access this one from here. Okay, so now we can see that we have installed the Solr, and that's the latest version 830. Okay, and as we have installed this as a service, so even if I do a restart, it should work automatically, right? So in the window we were doing this NSSM, and in the Linux basically we need to run this install Solr command, and this will install as a service, and this is a service command for that. Let me see. Okay, now it's starting. Okay, it's started. If I again get this IP and hit this on, should work now. Okay, because we haven't started this one, I think till okay. Yep, all good then. Okay, so we are done. So now we have set up a new Linux machine. We have set up Solr as a service on the Linux machines. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer, and I will post this script and all the steps in this video. Thanks for watching this.